G'day and welcome to day 9 of the 12 Days to Stitch It. In today's video we're going to see the results of the voting from day 8, open up day 9 to see what beautiful colour it is and the 12 different fabrics, and then go ahead and vote on the 3 different patterns. Whichever pattern you vote on is the one that I'll make. Let's go ahead and get started. Day 8 was a series of the beautiful violets and purples. I thought these were absolutely stunning. I loved all the different colours and these made some beautiful patterns. So the 3 blocks you had to choose from was what I called Highway, which is shown right here, Roundabout, and then the last one was called Intersection, and the voting was very, very close. In fact, first and second were exactly tied, so I figured I'll go ahead and do the tie-breaking vote. So the one that came in third place was the Highway, and in equal first was Roundabout and Intersection. And I took another look at all this to cast a deciding vote, and I'm going to go with the Roundabout. I think this one looks really cute, and with these fabrics, I think it's going to really shine. But I think we'll go ahead and bring back the Intersection, hopefully in the next couple of days, for a future box. I think if with the right fabrics, it may be a winner yet. So anyone that's been watching this series already knows we've gone through the entire rainbow. We started on day 1 with red, worked through pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. So now we're at day 9. Where are we going to go? Are we going to go white, grey, black, brown, something else? What do you think? I'm guessing brown. Let's see. Well, it's not brown, but these are beautiful fabrics. It's a beautiful series of different types of greys. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. So let's take a look at each of the fabrics in a little more detail. As before, I show you the triangles because we have all 12 of these, whereas the squares that we only get 6. So this one here is really pretty, and if you look at the bigger one, it actually has little elephants and so forth on there. So I think this one's really fun. The next one is this one that has the gold print. We've seen this in the purples the last time around, and I think this one's really pretty. This one here I'm intrigued by. This is actually the right side of the fabric. At first I thought it wasn't, but if you look at the back, it's, yeah, not to say. But it's a nice muted thing. I think it turned out really nice. And then this one here, I love how it has like the silver embossment on there as well. Here we go. Next up, we've seen this one in the different colors before. And then we got some bats, which I think is really fun. Haven't seen a whole lot of holiday-inspired ones yet, but there we go. And then we have a partner to the one we just showed you a few moments ago. And then this one here as well. See, it's got some brown in it. Do I get partial credit for saying brown? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear. Alright, so we continue on for our last 4 fabrics. This one here is really nice. I'm really liking these florals. I mean, I was telling you before, I'm not a huge floral person, but this may really may turn the tide for me. And this one here is fun too. When I saw this down here, I thought it was a chicken, like its head this way. Looks like a chicken, right? A rooster? Well, I come to find out it's not. It's actually a crab. How about that? And then got 2 more to show you, and then we'll get to the voting. That one there, and finally this one here. We've done 9 days of this, and I have loved each and every one of these series of colors so far, and I'm really, really impressed. I can be very, very picky when it comes to fabric, so I think it's really neat that I've been enjoying them all so much so far. And so now that we've seen all the beautiful fabrics, it's time to go ahead and show you the 3 patterns and let you vote on which one you'd like to see me make. And she may not notice, but Katie over at Greenwood Quilter is the inspiration behind today's patterns. I was watching a live of hers a couple of weeks ago where she was making a fun version of a bear paw, and I thought that'd be a really good inspiration for one of these days, and today is that day. And so the first one I came up with is called All Paws Together, because the bear paws are all facing in towards each other. I thought this was really fun. The next one is called In or Out. And that's because some of the bear paws are facing in and some are facing out. And then finally, I called this one the Bear Paw Star. I tried to make all the bear paws going out, and then when you look at it, it's like a big star. So I think that's some really fun names for that. So to vote, go ahead and use the Google form as you've done in the last 8 days already. The voting will remain open for about 24 hours, and then I'll come back on Thursday to reveal the results and then show you day 10. And let me know in the comments too, what do you think day 10's color is going to be? Is it going to be brown, grey, white, black, something else, multicolored perhaps? Who knows? Let me know in the comments, and we're back on Thursday to show you that as well. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit that like button. Tell a friend. I always love hearing comments from my viewers. I hope you all have a great day. happy sewing, Merry Christmas, happy holidays, and we'll see you all very soon. Bye.